Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be comparing two of the more expensive Chinese watches that operate off an Android system. So these two watches are going to be the KW88 and the K98H smartwatches. Okay, so let's begin. And before we start actually, if you guys have seen my other videos in my channel where I review other gadgets, electronics, and coolest watches, and do enjoy the content, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will be sure to be back with you with more regular content just like this. And if you guys do proceed to purchase these watches after my video, you can use my affiliate links below, which will take you to Amazon or eBay, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we are going to go through the K98H smartwatch. Now, both of these smartwatches have very similar watch faces, and the variations that actually exist amongst them are either from the bands, the patterns of the band, and the size of the case. And what's inside also kind of differs a little bit between these two watches. So let's begin. The K98H smartwatch comes with a silicone band. It comes with a very unique pattern here. And the watch case itself, it's made out of aluminum. Pretty thick case, as you can tell. And you can see, the details on the case with 5-second increments. You're going to have one home button here. And inside the watch, you're going to find quite a bit of watch faces. Okay, so with the KW88, you're going to find silicone band, 4-pin magnetic charger as well, fitness sensor, which should also be available here on the K98H. It's not flashing right now. A SIM card slot, so if you do want to operate the watch on its own without connecting to a phone, you can do that by purchasing a SIM card with your mobile carrier. You can have one home button. Less details on the watch case itself. Aluminum case still. You're going to have your speakers right here, just like the K98H. Now let's go through some of the internal features that these watches come with. With the K98H smartwatch, if you want to explore the watch faces it comes with, you want to long press the default home face. And you can swipe to the right, and you're going to find some different watch faces here. I do like a lot of the watch faces that this comes with, because it makes it seem like a real quartz watch. It also has quite a bit of, smartwatch screens here. But the K98H here, it seems like it's more of a premium formal watch, but it does come with a lot of watch faces, as you can tell here. So it's really cool. Okay, with the K98 smartwatch, you're gonna find fewer watch faces that it comes with comparing to the K98H smartwatch. And most of the watch faces that the KW88 comes with, as you can tell, are more computerized. And right off the bat, you can tell that this is gonna be a smartwatch versus, the watch face that is shown here. You're gonna find, it has more similarities with a real quartz watch. The K88 smartwatch also has the function of downloading watch faces from another Android, another Android watch face. Depending on if it's free or paid, you can find them online. Let's go through some of the internal features of these two watches. So, to navigate to the main menu, you would like to swipe right on its home face. So right off the bat, you can tell there's some differences. It could also be the formatting difference, between these two main menus. But you're going to find a lot of the same functions. You're going to have contacts, phone, your basic phone functions. I think some of the more sophisticated functions you want to find here are the fitness functions, which we have talked about. And then you're going to find a lot of the similar phone functions, such as contacts, Bluetooth calling, messaging. So we're not going to go through all of that. We are going to find the health functions and see how they differ, if they do at all. Now we're going to find the health functions here. You're going to have your Play Store function, which you can download some apps if you like, since it is operating off an Android system. Can't really find the health functions on the K98H, but it should be there because the fitness sensors on the back. So I can say that it's a little harder to operate off the main menu from the K98H, and it looks like it has fewer functions than the KW88. Let's see if that's right. Okay, that's a social function. The touchscreen's a little sensitive. It's going to places I don't want to click on. Right off the bat, I cannot actually find the health functions on K98H, so let's go with this. It seems a little, no. This is changing the screen and the formatting of your main menu. Okay, so right off the bat, I cannot find the fitness function on the K98H smartwatch. Because of this, I actually do prefer the K88 smartwatch over the K98H smartwatch. It's just a lot easier to navigate through this watch versus this. Now, the plus side on the K98H smartwatch is that I do like the look of it. It's smaller slightly than the K88 smartwatch, and it has a cooler band to my preference, and I do like the default watch faces that it comes with. But if you want to talk about the seamlessness of operating the watch and just more capabilities, you want to be looking into the K88 smartwatch versus this. This is a better looking smartwatch, smaller. It has classier watch faces, but the capabilities are just not as great as this one right here. Okay? So this will conclude my short video of the comparison of these two smartwatches for now. If you guys did enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will be sure to be back with you with more videos just like this. If you guys do proceed to purchase my these watches below, you can use my affiliate links in the video description below, and it will take you to eBay or Amazon. And you guys, when you guys do make a purchase, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you. See you next time.